Hello guys, welcome to this channel. This video will show you how to make trend line on the Google in Google Sheets. Actually, it's really easy to do. Here I already open my Google Sheets and then I have my sampling data, which is just a random numbers, and then I want to create trend line based on those data. So how to doing that? You just press on the data. For me, I will press the A column and then click insert. After that, click chart, and then by default, Google Sheet will be will find the most suitable data chart or data type or chart type to your data. So if you want to create the scatter like this, you just find on the chart type and then find the scatter here, the scatter. And then if you want to make a line, you just find the line. So this is the line chart. And then next, the main reason you watch this video, how to create the trend line. So you go to customize and then you go to series and then you can click this trend line. See, I have trend line here on the middle, on the center. This is the trend line, and then also I can change trend line into the exponential, into the polynomial. You can choose what degrees of polynomial you want, 4 degrees or 10 degrees maybe. And then the next one is logarithmic, and then power series also, and then the final is moving average. So that's the trend line from the Google Sheet. Then also you can choose the equation as a label from your trend line. For me, I do prefer a scatter chart instead of line chart. See, this is the scatter chart because this is just random number. It's normal distributed, so it's not really good data for trend line. That's it, this tutorial. I hope it's helpful for you. If you should, please subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.